People wear respirators to protect themselves from airborne particles. However, most mask wearers still breathe in particles because masks fail to seal around the edges. It's not that the filter material is bad, but rather particles get drawn into the mask from the edges and into your breathing zone. When the mask has a leak, the majority of the air you breathe may come through the leak. You might as well not be wearing any mask when you consider how poorly they seal. Also, one size does not fit everyone, resulting in even bigger leaks. The facial seal of a mask is the most important factor in protecting your lungs, and it must stay sealed to your face as you move, work, speak, and breathe. The entire family of soft seal filter masks has a comfortable 360-degree medical-grade silicone seal around its edge. Other masks have staples and a hard paper interface that may be uncomfortable. This seal is on every soft seal mask, from our NIOSH-approved N95 masks to our V-Fold pocket masks. Most soft seal masks have our CoolTech exhalation valve to lower heat and humidity inside the mask. Independent consumer testing validates Soft Seal as the most comfortable mask on the market. Soft Seal's availability in up to 4 sizes can protect everyone from small children to the largest adults. Soft Seal protects your family from particles such as viruses, bacteria, pollen, smoke, and dust, and protects workers from particles from mold, wood, metal, sanding, and aerosols created in the work environment. Soft Seal. The difference is the seal.